From my kitchen to yours, this is Chef Michael Christen, and tonight we're going to be doing chicken saltimbocca. Now I know what you're wondering, what is saltimbocca? Saltimbocca incorporates two primary ingredients, one prosciutto and the other sage. Now if you were to go to Italy or the southern tip of Switzerland, they would primarily always serve it with veal. However, tonight we're going to be doing it with chicken. So basic ingredients: prosciutto, sage, a chicken breast that I've sliced in half, salt, pepper, some butter, some flour, and some chicken stock because we're going to be making a sauce with it. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we take the chicken breast and we season it on both sides, just like that, salt and pepper. And this is the saltimbocca. You take the chicken breast, lay the sage down, and what you do is you envelop it in the prosciutto, and you make sure that on the bottom you give it a really nice tight squeeze so it's got a really nice seal on it. And because we're feeding more than one person, we're going to be doing the second chicken breast completely identical. Flip it over, make sure that you've got a nice tight seal, and now we're going to heat up the pan. In a nice hot pan, you add some olive oil, just like this. Get the oil nice and hot. You take the flour and you flour up the breast, just like this. And the reason that we flour white meat is to lock in all the juices. Alright, so this is looking really good. And then we'll add that to the pan. So as the chicken breasts are searing in the pan, because they're half, it's not going to take too long in order to finish it off. You're looking at about a good minute and a half, 2 minutes per side. Flip these over. Very nice. And all you want is a really nice golden color on the outside. Take your time. Medium heat. And that's what it is. Make sure that you get a really nice seal at the bottom where that you press both ends together to ensure that it does stay nice and tightly packed, because we want that, because saltimbocca means leap in your mouth. So this is a flavor explosion that hits the back of your mouth. Give it a nice tight squeeze, and these breasts are done. So we'll take it out of the oil, and we'll discard the oil. We'll add some chicken stock. And then a couple of knobs of ice cold butter from the fridge. And this will be our thickening agent. You can add capers if you wish, absolutely no problem. However, for what we're doing tonight, I'm just going to be making just a very simple chicken stock reduction sauce. Okay. So I'll place that right here. So I've made some pasta on the side, and then I'll just add that to the plate. Some spinach fettuccine with a little bit of Reggiano Parmigiano, and we'll take the sauce and just lightly pour it over top, and then some on the pasta also. And there you go. Chicken saltimbocca with prosciutto and sage with a spinach fettuccine. From my kitchen to yours, try this out. It's quick, it's easy, and the kids will love it.